Let's take a look at the teacher usage reports. Clicking the Reports tab in the blue ribbon allows you to analyze your data by classes as well as by individual students. Let's check out the Students Report first. The Students Report allows you to break down metrics at the individual level. By default, student names are ordered first, last, but you can click the three vertical dots to order last, then first, if desired. Each column can be toggled to sort by simply clicking the column heading. Most columns show a question mark that provides helper text for the metric. The first four data columns are related to the active skills in Spiral Review. These metrics help you see the long-term progress of each student. The first column gives the number of active skills that are showing proficient for each individual. It's important to remember that in Get More Math, proficiency is earned when a student demonstrates understanding of a skill consistently over time. When looking at a student's screen, proficient skills show colored squares that are green, silver star, and gold star. The In Progress column means that the student is making progress by leveling up to yellow. So this column lets you see how many of that student's skills are moving toward proficiency. The Not Proficient column indicates how many skills each student is still struggling to understand, which is shown by a red square on the student screen. The Untried column shows the number of skills that have not been attempted. The highlighted columns are slightly different. These columns are overall averages for each student to see if they are on track. To quickly identify progress, Get More Math incorporates a highlighting system. Hovering over the question mark details this comprehensive data and will give you a better understanding of what the highlighted colors indicate. You can also reference the key above the report to interpret the colors. Gray indicates the student needs improvement. Orange represents acceptable, and blue designates outstanding performance. The percent of active skills proficient is based on the sum of the raw numbers from the previous four columns. For example, this student has 29 active skills. He is leveled up to green or better on 17 of those skills. That tells us that 59% of his active skills are proficient. This metric is often viewed in conjunction with the Accuracy column. Accuracy shows how likely the student is to answer a problem correctly on the first try. However, because accuracy does not take time into consideration, Get More Math suggests relying more heavily on the percent of skills proficient, which indicates accuracy over time. The Points from Spiral Review column is exactly as it sounds. As a reminder, students can earn points on the new skills you've set in the targeted practice, but this column isolates the percentage of the points earned strictly in Spiral Review. Problems completed is a count of the total problems solved so far. By clicking the Manage Columns button, you can expand the data to view rotation time and total points earned for each student. Now, let's see the data available in the class's report. This report allows you to see an overview of how each class is progressing and compare metrics such as problems per student and the number of active skills in the Spiral Review. The data columns can be sorted by toggling them. Just like in the student report, you can hover over the question mark icon to get more details about the comprehensive data included in this class report. The columns are similar to those in the student report, but here they display the class average instead. By clicking the Manage Columns button, you can view additional details such as the class's median rotation time and the total points earned. The same highlighting system we discussed in the students report is incorporated in this report as well to quickly identify progress for each class. Using the key in the upper right, once again you'll see that gray data needs improvement, orange shows the data is acceptable, and blue indicates the data is outstanding for the class. You can download data from both the class and student reports at any time by clicking the download arrow.